channel. Oahu leeward waters, Oahu windward waters, until 2 p.m. At 1:20 p.m., strong thunderstorms along a line extending from 7 nautical miles southwest of EAS to near Fad Buoy BO to 7 nautical miles northwest of moving northeast at 25 knots. Hazard, early 50 knots. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged and subtly higher waves. Locations impacted include Laia Point, Honolulu Harbor, Mokula Islands, Ariakau Boat Harbor, Fad Buoy, Haleiwa Harbor and Harbor. Prepare for gusty winds, steep and fast seas, and blinding downpours. Stay low and make sure all on board are wearing life jackets.